Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do a simple database using a dictionary in Python. Basically we can literally just update this database with the information. So before we start, if you've not already got Pandas on board, you're going to have to install it through pip and then import the module into your Python program like this. Import Pandas as PD. Now we've created the database dictionary here. We've got name, and then we've got list there, age, and then we've got a list, and country, and a list. And now we've created the function called data info. Now to get the loop, we're going to have to use while true. So it will just simply keep asking us to enter input into the database until we type in something like exit. So we create a variable called name and we assign it to input, which will get the user input, and we tell the user what to input. So enter name or exit. So the user will enter name into there, or if they want to exit the program, they will just simply type in exit. Now we have to do the evaluation on here, and we use a conditional called if. So if name dot lower, and this will make everything into lowercase. So for example, if you type uppercase in there, it will convert it into lowercase. So if it's equal to exit, there somebody types in exit, we break from the program. And then after that we've got age, again assign it to input and simply age, so the user knows to type their age in. Then we're going to do the other variable called country, assign it to input and then country. Okay, so the user will type in their country there. And now we've got to update it to the database. So we do that like this. Database. I've not spelled that right, have I? Base. Okay, database. And then simply name dot append name, so add the name to it. And then for the other one's going to be age, so that's database, simply age dot append age. Okay, now for the last one, again database, and that's simply going to be country dot append country. Okay, and then here create a variable. This variable is going to be called, let's have a look, df. We assign df to pd pandas data frame dot data frame here. Okay, and then simply type in data base. And then what we do is we print out the information df. Okay, now all we have to do is to call the program, and the program here is called data info. Data info. Let's save it. Let's run it. Okay, I've got a little bit of an error here for some reason. Okay, the problem is I don't have this module on board. Now, I used to have it on board, but I've just recently updated my Python, so it must have done something to my modules, got rid of my modules. Okay, so we're going to try and install it through pip. So all we do is this, pip install pandas, hit enter, and wait for it to install. Okay, so let's try that again, should we? So where's it gone? It's gone here. So let's just do that. Let's run it. Okay, so we're okay now. Just wiped out some of my modules. So enter a name. So I'm going to do Dave, age 67, country US. Okay, let's have a look. Bill, age 90, country UK. Pete, age 34. He's the young blood. Okay, country France. Very French name that. Okay, let's exit it. So type in exit, hit enter, and there you go. So we've got name, age, and country all printed out there. So I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscription button now, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.